Hi, welcome back. Another important question of the day. So I think probably last few days you are not able to answer any one of the question perfectly. I don't know what could be the reason, but you try. This is a simple question. Okay. Choose options for a determination of the shipping point. Okay. If you have already finished the course, you are not able to answer this question certain times. So to make you lighter, interviewer will also ask this kind of question. Please try to answer this question. Okay. So option A, loading group. B, delivery item category group and shipping conditions. D, single level bomb. E, weight scale. F, delivering point. G, transportation point. So this series specifically useful who would like to prepare for future certification. Okay, as well as internal examinations before interview or after interview. Okay, just try to answer this question. Okay, if you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. I have around 20 plus courses available in Udemy. Okay, if you really wanted to, okay, if you really wanted to give a try, you can able to give a try. Okay, so just go to the Google and type Udemy. And here go any one of the website. So let me go to the, just type my name. You can able to get a lot many videos, around 20% available. Okay. I'm specifically suggesting this course, getting master to write functional specification before you are having your footsteps into the industry. And this is my SD course, 107 hours. I'm just trying to add this video also over there. And so this is the real-time idoc training. Okay. So I'm just providing these links below this video. If you really like this video, you can like it. And don't forget to, if you like it or not, it's a question of your choice, but try to choose some options and try to give answer here. I'm just waiting for your reply. And if after a few hours, I'll try to have the answer. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a